That's strange. I mean, that's random, right? But you know, there are all these keys.
Kitty Cat's very happy.
Key and the car keys and the key horn and the moon sung Vuk. He wants his Vuk.
And Jimmy's doing mukbang. He's eating the key horn. Here's my cat, Fred. You see him here, he's eating. He's very happy. This is a Whopper. You see the pupper of Whopper. That's him. I think I'm sick. I don't know. It might be, because I parted my hair wrong. What's up, dude? It may have to do with, does this pull out? What is this? Just a happy little cat. So I got AT&T phone service, and yesterday I bought some AT&T. Hey, a ladybug. Hey, ladybug. I bought some prepaid cards because, you know, I thought, as one may, that I would be able to pay my phone bill like that. What happens when I call? They tell me that my phone bill is paid in full. So I don't understand that. I need to pay my phone bill. You're sending me messages. I need to pay it. So, what's going on? And I've had nothing but problems out of them. And I already know AT&T's bad. But, I mean, this bad? So they tell me, you have post-pay service. I'm like, what the fuck is that? They're like, post-pay service isn't prepaid. I'm like, no shit, okay. I'm like, yeah, but you're AT&T. This is AT&T on these cards. I'm like, I spent $110. And actually probably 111. Probably my target number when I got real sentimental about numbers and my subscribers and shit. I got real sentimental. I just did. That 111.
I just love it. I love that number. I fucking pet that number. I hug that number. I fucking caress that number. I liked it. And now I've exceeded it and I feel good, you know, because, like I said, anyway, back to AT&T. So AT&T has told me that, oh, what, you want us to call the Walmart? Do I want you to call Walmart? Walmart has a no return your phone card policy. Basically, meaning my shit's fucked. And it's probably time for a new phone. You know, it probably is. And I could switch over to what they call prepay. And who gives a shit? Who cares who I am then? I still owe them money? Yeah, well, you know what? I have to operate another phone. Because I bought the wrong phone card. And,
you know, maybe the guy at the store will do some trick. And because he's the one that lured me into this phone. It's not prepaid, so it's almost like contract, but it's like not. You know, do I want to ruin my credit? I don't know what's going on here. I don't have any credit. Yeah, but you might be building it and you might be destroying it. I don't know. All I know is that my phone bill's due. I can neither pay it nor assure it remains on.
And I'm triggered. And now I've got the single head sinus dripping down my nose. Some form of this disease that, and it burns. Oh my God, does it burn? It's like having beware of your phone company. Oh my god, look at this. Possible cedar fever? Maybe. Doubtful. I don't know. I know that it only infects one side of my head. Why? I don't know. So my right brain can process it. Over here. And be like, you have a problem. You must solve it. By the means of health. I feel like shit, dude. That's all I got. I just wanted to share. So beware of postpaid AT&T service. Because if you go and try to buy a phone card just to pay it because you don't have any money on your card, you know, what it's common, it won't work. And then they practically tell you, you've thrown your money away. I'm like, you're AT&T, you took the money, you've got the money.